Flaxseed water for weight loss. Flax seeds are rich in fiber and so many healthy nutrients. This drink helps to reduce weight. For this we need flax seeds, lemon, ginger and salt. Take flax seeds, put it in blender and make fine powder out of it. Now take a pan, add 1 glass of water and boil it. Add 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder and crushed ginger. Then boil it for 5 minutes. Mix well. Now switch off the flame. Take this water into a bowl. Then add pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix well. Flaxseed water is ready. This drink is ideal for weight loss. It is less cellulite, it gives shiny skin, it is rich in vitamins, minerals and fiber. It is best for detoxification, it improves digestion. This drink not only helps in reducing weight but also help in maintaining desired body weight. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.